Hey everybody, just a quick tip on your W126 Mercedes. If you need to grease the door hinges on the rear doors, you need to open the front door and take a look to the rear, and you will see the miniature alamite for each hinge right there. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of brake clean this area up just a touch, and then we're going to grease this guy up and make it open and close real nice. As you can see, I used a little bit of brake clean and cleaned up the area and got all the old grease off the door hinges, and so we could see what we're doing, and so we could free up that little bitty spring-loaded ball there. And we're going to let me show you what we've got here. So get yourself down to the local parts house and get one of these miniature tips for your grease gun. Got a tiny hole in there. All you've got to do, slip this guy in here like this and have a third hand, and someone could pump the grease in there. So stand by. All right, pretty nasty, but it's going to work. We'll wipe off the excess. So you take your right hand or your left hand, whichever one you prefer, and you hold the little needle adapter to your grease gun against the spring-loaded alamite there, and then pump 2 or 3 times until you see grease come out from the hinge, either in the bottom, top, or both. So, and then we're going to wipe up the excess, do the bottom one, and then we'll show you how well the door opens and closes. All right. We're all done with that. Now we're going to pull the door out. Now I've already done this. I moved the door back and forth, just a few times to make sure you work the grease in. All right, so we're going to pull it back to the first detent on the check strap, and we'll have a 1-finger deal, and we'll just kind of let it go. There you go. How about that? There's your Mercedes S-Class door shut right there. Hey, you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and please subscribe. Take it easy.